Are you ready to get flipped on the 25th, bro?
As long as you driving, I already done told you what's gonna happen.
What gonna happen if I drive, Swine? Tell me what's gonna happen, bro.
Shit, when we let go of them goddamn bugs, I'll see your ass when you get back to your trailer.
With my money, right? You gonna have that money, right? Cause that dope fiend gonna go in on you, bro.
Nah, don't ain't finna do shit. You was shaking like a motherfucker last weekend, man.
But you crazy, man. You know, yeah, hey, man, hey, listen here.
I look at you when you got in your car, goddamn. Look like you was up there swimming. This motherfucker done went crazy. Your eye got big. Who is the dope fiend? The car or you? Your eye was big like you smoking crack. Hey, this motherfucker lost his goddamn mind.
But you out your mind, man. What we doing it for, man?
Man, we already talked about that 3 on 15.
3 on 15? 9 o'clock.
I want to do it at that time, but you said you had something. You had to shoot out or something, but I want to do it at 9 o'clock.
First round of the shootout. You drive, I drive. I'm going to you.
What time the shootout start?
6.
I might just do it. I might go and do it at 6. Just shit your goddamn mouth because I'm tired of you.
Boy, you talking greasing now, man. Talking real
Ain't no
greasing.
greasing. I know greasing. You know what this shit lead back to. You remember? You know where I am.
Yeah, I know exactly what happened. That what gonna happen, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get you out the way. 6 o'clock, first round of the shootout, man. Straight out the trailer, just like you asked for.
Yeah, that's what I want.
That's what you gonna get, man. Get ready, man. Get yourself prepped, man. Put on all your lotion and your makeup, baby. It's going in.
I ain't no goddamn lotion. I got feet grease on my leg. Get out my phone.
Phoenix City, Call of Duty Grudge Edition. It's going down, man. True Street Rider, Georgia A1 Custom. Yeah, man. Dope fiend looking for that boy Swine. He locked in. And yeah, take boy, yeah, grab, baby. That Vulcan shit over with. Alright, man, Call of Duty, August 25th, man. Y'all get ready, man. We got classes for everybody. We got a 28 Gone Wild, Outlaw Street Car class, 650, and them daily drivers, man. Y'all get them daily drivers. We need all y'all, man. Out of Alabama, Uncle Drake, we need everybody down there. Mike Ford, you got a daily driver, y'all riding around on the street, wanna race, man, y'all get the Call of Duty, man, it's going down. August 25th, baby. Tell them where you're gonna be at, that Call of Duty on August 25th. What car you bringing? August 25th, Phoenix City. You getting in that G-Body shootout?
Believe it.
Tell them what you're gonna do for it, man.
It's a reason they call it Cook Black Wolf. Y'all don't see.
Let me tell you something, man. August 25th, I'm coming over there to Phoenix City, you feel me? It's going down, you feel me? This bitch ready? I'm gonna bust somebody fucking ass, especially deep. So, look, when I get there, Black Ops will be there at Phoenix City, August 25th. Man, we got a race August 25th down here at Phoenix City, man. I'm trying to see what you got over there we can flip.
What I got, you can try to flip?
Yeah.
I got a whole host, so I'll take your pick. Y'all want y'all run back?
No, not quite though, baby. We need you down there.
Okay.
We need you down there.
I'll be in the house with something to put on y'all ass.
Say APP will be in the house with something.
APP will be in the house. We're gonna do something down there that day.
telling her how I'm finna flip your ass in Phoenix City, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
You about to kick out.
Who about? Why you crazy, man? What time you trying to do something, man?
Shit, around about 9.
What we gonna do it for? 5 on 25 or better?
Yes, sir. I got 500 on space.
Ooh, you got 500 on space?
Yes, sir.
That sound about right, man. So Dope Fiend and Valk 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Small block.
Small block, all steel, all glad, one system. It going down. Phoenix City, August 25th.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.